Hey there, welcome to my review of GPTok. This is John Hooks, and we're going to talk about this a little bit. GPTok, AI-guided app that creates instant viral videos that dominates TikTok, drives 4,400 clicks per day in any niche without paying for ads. All right, and a little bit more about it here. The power of AI with TikTok drives to 4,459 clicks per day. These are the results we get with GPTok. Just by uploading these automatically generated videos, we unlock floods of traffic every day. Creating a video is not easy or fun typically. Luckily, you don't have to worry about that with GPTok. It takes that burden off your shoulders and creates traffic-sucking videos for you with just a click. So you're just 3 steps away from floods of viral traffic from TikTok. All right, step number 1, with one-click leverage with the power of AI and generate an instant viral without creating it. Step number 2 is to upload, copy and paste the keyword and the captions we generate for you with the AI and upload it to TikTok. And step number 3, embrace yourself for a massive traffic wave. All right, and so we have the prices here. I do have an explainer video here that takes you through it, but let's go through the prices. $17. Actually, there is a $2 exit coupon, so you can get it for $15 today. Then we have a number of upsells, starting with OTO number 1, the unlimited version for $39. And that goes to tell you that there are some limitations on the front end. Typically, it's a number of uploads per month, sometimes per week. All right, and here it's unlimited. You can do 1,000 a day if you'd like. All right, OTO number 2 is the done for you version. So if for some reason you feel that you can't set this up and create these videos yourself, it can be done for you for $39. OTO number 3, $97 for traffic. Get additional traffic. OTO number 4, the 30K challenge for $97. OTO number 5, the automation system for $29. OTO number 6, agency edition for $197. And OTO number 7 for $97, the reseller rights. Now, all of these will be given to you in more detail after you pick up the front end of GPTok. Then you'll go through individual pages talking about all these extra one-time offers and offering you the opportunity to go ahead and pick those up today also. All right, so remember these benefits that you're going to be getting. So you're going to get instant viral traffic with AI-generated videos. It works in any niche, in any country. 100 out of 100 beta testers made money on the same day using GPTok. 100%, you don't usually see that. Forget all about traditional marketing, 0 video creation needed, no experience required whatsoever, drive thousands of clicks to any link for free, 0 upfront costs, and of course, 100% money back guarantee. Now, as I briefly touched on this before, there is a kind of like a demo / explainer video here, takes you through that. Now, at any time, of course, when you're ready to go ahead, get over to the sales page to secure your copy of GPTok, click on any of the red banners that you see on my bonus page here. And by the way, to get to my bonus page from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link beneath the video that says get my exclusive bonuses in GPTok here. Click that link and it'll take you, to this very page that we're on right here. All right. In addition, I have some bonuses for you when you pick up GPTok today, starting with sales copy secrets. How to write a compelling sales letter that converts. Bonus number 2, have some free traffic for you. You get 5,000 guaranteed visitors, plus 2,500 text ads, plus 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 3 is lightning list to learn how to build a big email list lightning fast. And bonus number 4, monthly income system 2.0. Earn money each and every month. And of course, there are the bonuses that Mosh is offering you when you pick up GPTok through any of my banner links here today. all of those bonuses are included too. They'll be given to me to pass on through to you through the purchase page. And this is what that looks like. So once you click on any of my banners, get over to the sales page, pick on your purchase link. Once you go to your secure checkout, you will end up on your Warrior Plus purchase details page. Here you'll have two buttons of interest. The first one is the green button, which you will click to get your copy of GPTok and the bonuses offered to you by Mosh. And the other button is the blue button here that you'll click on, and that will give you access to all of the bonuses that I just presented to you when you pick up GPTok through any of my banners here today. All right, so that is it in a nutshell, pretty quick and simple. It sounds like something that most people probably would benefit from. So if you are one of those, go ahead and pick this up today before the price increases. I want to go ahead and take the time to thank you for taking your time to watch this review video today with the bonuses and the other information on the page here. Hopefully it was of interest and help to you to make a decision. With that, enjoy the rest of your day, and as always, to your success.